Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 5 stunning bridal makeup looks that are perfect for any age group. From young and vibrant to elegant and sophisticated, we've got you covered. Look 1. Natural bridal makeup for young bride. Look 1 is all about natural, effortless beauty. This look is perfect for young brides who want to enhance their features without looking too made up. We'll be using light to medium coverage foundation, subtle eyeshadow, and defined brows. Look 2. Glamorous bridal makeup for young brides. Look 2 is all about glamour and sophistication. This look is perfect for young brides who want to make a statement on their special day. We'll be using bold eyeshadow, luscious lashes, and a bold lip color. Look 3. Soft, romantic bridal makeup for young bride. Look 3 is all about soft, romantic beauty. This look is perfect for young brides who want to look and feel like a princess on their special day. We'll be using soft pink eyeshadow, luscious lashes, and a soft pink lip color. Look 4. Dramatic smoky eyes bridal makeup for young brides. Look 4 is all about dramatic, smoky eyes. This look is perfect for young brides who want to make a bold statement on their special day. We'll be using dark eyeshadow, luscious lashes, and a bold lip color. Look 5. Elegant bridal makeup for mature bride. Look 5 is all about elegant, sophisticated beauty. This look is perfect for mature brides who want to look and feel stunning on their special day. We'll be using subtle eyeshadow, defined brows, and a soft lip color. This look is all about enhancing your natural features without looking too made up. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 stunning bridal makeup looks and learned some new tips and techniques to enhance your natural beauty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications.